Okay, so if you want to combine two or more PDF files into one, we have two options. One is to do it online, and the other is you download a utility and install it, and then you can do it from your own computer. Okay, let's go for the first option, combine PDF files. We'll go with the first one, and essentially if you want to do it online, you have a number of options. I'll go with this one. I've used this a lot. And this one will ask you to upload the files. Let me go and select my files, click on upload. These are my files. I'll just drag my mouse and select all of them. It'll take a while. Okay, it has uploaded the files. Now once it has uploaded the files, you do have the options of course deleting it, clearing the queue, or rearranging your files. Okay, let me rearrange my files. Once you're satisfied, just say combine, and it will combine the files. And let me just open the folder and let's see if it has done it properly. There you go, that's my first file. That is my second one. And finally I have my last one. There you go. So it has done it properly. Let me close this. Okay, the second method is if you want to do it, if you have some sensitive data, if you're not comfortable doing it online, you don't want your files to go anywhere. So what you can do is, let me close this, you can go and visit this website, and they have a utility which you can download for free. And if you want to buy the pro version, okay, which is for like $4, and this will give you some more options, like if you want to delete a page from a PDF file before combining or something like that. Okay, it's some advanced features. For my what I want to do is I just want to simply combine a few files and make that into one. So I'm going to just download. Once you have downloaded, I'm going to install it by saying open the file. Say next, I agree, next, next. I'll launch this, and that is the interface. I'm going to add my files. I'm going to say add. These are my files. I'm going to highlight all of them and say open. Okay. Again, if you want, you can just change the sequence of your files just by dragging. Okay. You get some more options over here. Of course, these are advanced options. Again, you can purchase it for $4 and use it. I'm going to say create file, and it'll ask you the name of the file and the location. I'm going to say one file, and I'll say save, and it has created my file. That was fast. I'll say okay, close this, go to the desktop. Okay, that's my file. So here it is. We open this, and there you go. Okay, hope that was useful, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.